Okay, now where do you find these pre-made blogs that are already done for you? Well, you could just do a Google search for PLR blogs, okay? And these are some of the sites that I came across when you do a search for PLR blogs. Okay, there's premadenishes.com. As you can see here, they have several blogs that you can purchase from their site for cheap, for as low as $17. And another thing too, when you get these blogs, a lot of the content's already on there. If you want to add more content, you can just do a search for PLR articles, or you can also outsource and just hire a ghostwriter. Okay, you could also go to flippa.com, where you can buy and sell unique websites. Okay, now let's continue with PLR blogs. Another one is plrkits.com. Another one is plrwebsiteshop.com. Another one is plrblogs.info. You could also go to the Warrior Forum and do search for PLR blogs. Okay, and there's also eliteplrblogs.com and blogsbiz.com.